Good morning, everyone. Dear student, in last lecture we also discuss about President of India, and we also discuss about role of president in our country. In role of president in our country, we also know about president also appoint Chief Justice of Supreme Court. And in today's lecture, we also discuss the judiciary. Of course, we also aware about judiciary also play important role in our country. Judiciary is the higher authority in our country when government take any decision and this decision not in favor of public welfare. So at this time, judiciary also play important role. In today's lecture, we also know about meaning of judiciary. All the courts at the different level in country are collectively called the judiciary. We also know about different first, according to the judiciary system, first level in our country, Supreme Court. Second is the High Court. Third is the District Court. And fourth is the lower court in Tehsil level. So in our country, we also aware about different level of the court in our country, and they also do work in the collective way according to direction of Supreme Court. It is an independent and powerful institution and considered essential for democracy. We also aware about. And starting phase, we also discuss about three organ of government. First, legislature, executive, and judiciary also. So judiciary also play important role in every democracy because we also aware about when government misuse its power. So at this time, judiciary also play important role. So judiciary is the most important part of democracy. The Indian judiciary consists of a Supreme Court for the entire nation, High Court in the state, District Court, and the Court of local level. Dear student, we also aware about in our country one Supreme Court, and we also aware about Supreme Court also established in Delhi. Presently, we also aware about Delhi and Supreme Court. A new building also start in 26 January 1950. And we also aware about presently in our country total 25 state court in different part of India. And in our country near about 672 district court at present and many local court also. Local court also related to be tehsil level. So in our country, different court also in different part of India. The judiciary in India is also one of the most powerful in the world. We also aware about in our country, India is a democratic country, and in our country, we also know about judiciary also play important role. Many times, judiciary also give different kind of decision, and this is mandatory to every government. Also accepted this kind of डिसीजन आल्सो सो इंडिया में जो जुडिशरी है वो वर्ल्ड की पावरफुल जुडिशरी में से एक है powers of judiciary. Now we also discuss about power of judiciary. The judiciary in India is one of the most powerful judiciary in the world. India has the integrated judiciary. Integrated means connected to be different, like Supreme Court, High Court, District Court, and lower court. Supreme Court also make different kind of rule and regulation. So according to direction of Supreme Court, every lower district also accepted Supreme Court direction. It means the Supreme Court control the judiciary administration in the country. First main work of Indian judiciary system, according to the direction of Supreme Court, settle the dispute. Student, we also aware about in what happened in judiciary. In judiciary, settlement of different dispute also. Dispute related to the dispute between the citizen and state. We also aware about dispute when dispute start to be between any state government and any citizen. So at this time, judiciary also play important role. Dispute between citizen and government. We also aware about in beginning of this chapter, start dispute between citizen and Indian government. related to the matter of Mandal Commission. So at this time, many people also file petition in High Court, Supreme Court, District Court, in lower court also against 27% job reservation. So people have right to file petition in different court against government. Dispute between two or more state. Dear student, when dispute between two or more state, we also aware about present time. Dispute related to be घग्गर रिवर, जो आपका पानी का एक प्रॉब्लम्स है, वो हम सभी को पता है, बिटवीन हरियाणा एंड पंजाब. एंड दिस मैटर आल्सो discussed at present in Supreme Court, and Supreme Court also gives judgment in favor of Haryana. And we also aware about many time dispute between geographical related to be boundary dispute between Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. So at this time, Supreme Court also play important role. So when dispute between two state, so final decision given by Supreme Court. तो जब भी दो स्टेट के बीच में कोई भी डिस्प्यूट होगा, तो वहां पे डिस्प्यूट को सेटल किया जाएगा सुप्रीम कोर्ट में. Dispute between government and the union and state level. Student, we also aware about when disputes start between union government and state level. Presently, we also aware about at present in Delhi. Delhi is a union territory and state also. So at this time in Delhi, Delhi government also want to place under the current control of Delhi government. So at this time, this dispute also uh, heard in Supreme Court. Judgment not in favor of any way. न तो वो दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट के फेवर में आया है कि भी उन्होंने जो वहाँ पे अपना जिस तरीके से भी फाइल पिटिशन की है. सो एट दिस टाइम ऑफ कोर्स जब भी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और आपकी किसी यूनियन गवर्नमेंट का कोई भी डिस्प्यूट होगा, तो उस डिस्प्यूट को भी आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सेटल्ड करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क ऑफ जुडिशरी, free from legislature and judiciary. We also aware about the judge do not act on the direction of government or according to the wishes of the party in power. Student, we also aware about in our country, judiciary is be totally do work independently. Judiciary not controlled by any minister, any prime minister, president of India. We also aware about judiciary do work according its choice, according to be legal procedure. So in our country, judiciary फ्री फ्रॉम कंप्लीटली लेजिस्लेचर, कि किसी भी तरीके से जो लेजिस्लेचर हैं वो इंडिया में जुडिशरी को प्रेशराइज नहीं कर सकते. जज ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड जज ऑफ हाई कोर्ट आल्सो दे गिव देयर do work according to direction of Indian Penal Code. So in our country, judiciary is be totally independently. That is why all the modern democracy have court that are the independent of the legislature and executive. So this is the reason in almost every part of world in modern democracy, most of country have their courts, and this court do work independently. This court not under the control of legislature and एग्जीक्यूटिव, न तो वो किसी एग्जीक्यूटिव के दबाव में काम करेंगे और न ही किसी लेजिस्लेचर के. सो जुडिशरी डू वर्क अकॉर्डिंग इज चॉइस. Interpret the constitution of country. We also aware about judiciary also play important role for the interpretation of constitution. Supreme Court and the High Court have to power to interpret the constitution of India, a constitution of country. So dear student, we also aware about when government also want to change in any constitution, so at this time Supreme Court and High Court also play important role. When government also misuse its power, so at this time Supreme Court and High Court also give you direction to work according to constitution, कि constitution में क्या लिखा गया है आपको उसके according ही काम करना पड़ेगा. So Supreme Court and High Court also play important role for the interpretation of constitution. वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की इंटरप्रिटेशन भी करते हैं, व्याख्या भी करते हैं. फोर्थ इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क ऑफ जुडिशरी, जुडिशियल रिव्यू. दे कैन टू बी डिक्लेयर इनवैलिड एनी लॉ of the legislature or the action of the executive, whichever at the union level or at the state level, if they find such a law or action is against the constitution. Dear student, if in our country legislature also make any rule, any law, any amendment in our constitution, so at this time Indian judiciary also declared if this law not according to the constitution of India, so judiciary also declared is be as a invalid law. Judiciary वहां पे उसको invalid declare कर सकती है. Thus, they can to be determined to the constitutional validity of any legislation or action of the executive in the country when it is challenged before them. We also aware about if we are not satisfied this kind of any rule, any law, we also appeal in High Court and Supreme Court. तो वहां पे उसको challenge किया जा सकता है. This is known as the judicial review. If the court find that a law or an order of the executive disobey the provision of constitution during the time of hearing, if High Court and Supreme Court also found during the time of lawmaking, government not follow proper procedure. So government judiciary also declared this law is be invalid क्योंकि उसने जब लॉ बनाया है जो नॉर्म्स है आपके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को कि उसके डिसोबे किया गया है एंड इट इज डिक्लेयर्ड सच लॉ और ऑर्डर नल एंड वॉलिड. तो ऐसे वो जो भी ऑर्डर होते हैं उसको असंवैधानिक भी डिक्लेयर कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द अथॉरिटी ऑफ जुडिशरी, सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड हाई कोर्ट. Fifth point, guardian of fundamental right. The powers and the independence of the Indian judiciary allow to act as the guardian of the fundamental right. Student, we also aware about judiciary also play for the important role as per guardian of fundamental right. We also aware about according to Indian constitution, every people have some fundamental right. If government higher our fundamental right, we also appeal in High Court and Supreme Court. So High Court and Supreme Court also protected our fundamental right. That is why the judiciary enjoy a high level of confidence among the people. So this is the reason we also believe on judicial system in our country. Sixth main point, public interest litigations. Anyone can to be approach the court if public interest is hurt by the action of the government. Dear student, we also aware about many time. We also know one of person also file petitions related to be PIL, public interest litigation, जो public welfare में होती है. And this litigation also filed by any individual person also. No need to be go directly in court. They also file this litigation according to be by post. By post भी वो कर सकते हैं, मेल करके भी कर सकते हैं. So this is provision according to constitution. और इसमें जरूरी नहीं है कि जिस पर्सन ने उस लिटिगेशन को फाइल किया है उसका ही उसके ऊपर इफेक्ट हो. Of course, this work in public welfare during the time of festival season. We also aware about कि जो हमारी मार्केट होती है उसमें कितना क्राउड होता है, जैम लगते हैं. So at this time, any person also file PIL. And we also aware about during the time of Deepavali, जो क्रैकर यूज किए जाते हैं. Of course, Supreme Court also give एक डायरेक्शन जो क्रैकर्स हैं आपके वो 10 PM तक हम यूज कर सकते हैं according to the direction of Supreme Court. And this decision also given as per PIL, public interest litigations. किसी एक पर्सन ने PIL डाला था, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपना जजमेंट दिया. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ PIL आल्सो फाइल एनी पर्सन फॉर पब्लिक वेलफेयर कि आम आदमी की सुविधा के लिए. सेवंथ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, प्रिवेंट द मिसयूज ऑफ गवर्नमेंट पावर. The court intervenes to prevent the misuse of the government power to make decision. They check the malpractices on the part of the public official. That's why the judiciary enjoy high level of confidence among the people. Student, we also aware in our country, judiciary also play important role to control government power. Many time we also aware about government also take different kind of decision, different kind of action against any person, any citizen. So at this time, judiciary also play important role, and judiciary also give a judgment against government also. So at this time, we also totally believe on Indian judiciary system. So this is the power of Indian judiciary. Next important part, appointment of Chief Justice of Supreme Court and Chief Justice of different High Court and removal any judge from Supreme Court and High Court. The judges of Supreme Court and High Court are appointed by the President on the advice of Prime Minister and in the consultation with to the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Student, we also wait. In last part, we also discuss about Indian President also appointed Chief Justice of Supreme Court and presently Arvind Bobde is the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Arvind Bobde is the 47th Chief Justice of India. And after the appointment of Chief Justice, with the advice of Chief Justice, President of India also appointed different judges in High Court. And presently, in Haryana High Court, Punjab and Haryana High Court, Chief Justice of Haryana High Court is B. Ravi Shankar Jha at present. So during the time of appointment of different judges, Prime Minister also involved. The senior most judge of the Supreme Court is usually appointed the Chief Justice according to seniority. Almost senior most judge also appointed as the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. And retirement of Chief Justice of Supreme Court is be age 65 year. Once a person is appointed as the judge of the Supreme Court or High Court, it is never nearly impossible to remove him or her from the position. But this is not fixed. We also aware about if government also want to remove any judge from the High Court and Supreme Court, government of course adopt a legal procedure. A judge can be removed only by an impeachment motion passed separately by a two-third member of the two houses of parliament. If government want to remove any Chief Justice of Supreme Court and High Court, government adopt a method. This method is the impeachment motion, Mahabhiyog, and government need to be passed this impeachment motion in both houses need to be two-third member in favor of government. But it has never be happened in the history of Indian democracy. Indian democracy में 1947 से 2020 तक किसी भी चीफ जस्टिस को रिमूव नहीं किया गया. Almost every chief justice also completed his time period according to the retirement age. So this is the end of your chapter number